My right, they take. As always, try to be worthy of it. I should respect my parents, teachers, classmates, and all others. And to everyone, courtesy. In my country, my people, I place my devotion, and there will be prosperity, a long life, and happiness. Long live.
And capturer goes for selling his caps from one place to another place, from one village to another village. Okay, and meanwhile, at the time of lunch, he takes the rest under some tree, any tree whichever he finds. So he rests there. This is his routine. So he used to take rest under the tree. One day also same thing happens. He goes for selling his caps, and then in afternoon he takes his lunch. After lunch he rests for a while. Then what happens? Can you tell me? क्या होता है बाद में? Yes? Cap चुरा लिया था. Yes, monkey comes. Those who are sitting on the tree, they come there and they steal his caps. चुरा लेते हैं caps. उसकी उनकी cap जो है वो चुरा लेते हैं. सही बात है. Then what happens? Other students don't know this story. फिर क्या होता है? वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी, बचपन से पढ़ रहे होंगे आप लोग. Then capturer tries to get back these all caps. What he does, he asks monkey to return his caps, and then he observes that however or whatever he is doing, the same actions monkeys are also doing. So what he does, he put his hand on his head and he throws his cap. Same thing monkey also does. Monkey भी क्या करते हैं? अपनी कैप्स नीचे फेंक देते हैं. मालूम है इतना? Okay. So monkey does the same thing as cap seller does. Now, second part I will tell you. After some days, or we can say after some years, the same cap seller and his grandson is also there. So grandson comes to sell his caps. Same thing grandson also does. Grandson also comes from his own town or own village, and he goes to another village for selling the caps. Meanwhile, he takes lunch and take a rest for a while. Same thing happens with grandson also. Monkeys come and steals his caps. Now he remembers, grandson remembers what his grandfather has told or has done at that time. He does the same action. वो भी वैसे ही करता है जैसे उसके grandfather ने किया था. Grandfather ने क्या किया था? He does some actions. Monkeys also were doing same action, and after some time he put his hand on his cap and threw away his cap. ऐसे ही monkey ने भी किया था. Cap seller ने, grandson ने भी वैसे ही काम किया था. अब उसे याद आता है. He remembers that my grandfather has told me how to get the caps back. So he also does the same action. Now, do you think monkeys will also do the same thing? अब monkeys है ये. Monkeys क्या बोलते हैं बताएं? Monkey says that we are monkeys. हम बंदर है तो क्या हुआ? हमारे भी तो ग्रैंडफादर ने कुछ सिखाया है ना. हमने भी तो अपने ग्रैंडफादर के एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ सीखा है. If your grandfather has told you this incident, हमारे भी ग्रैंडफादर ने सिखाया है कि क्या करना नहीं चाहिए. So you will put your hands now and you will get back your caps. But we will not do the same thing or will not commit the same mistake which our grandfather has committed. किसके? Monkeys के. समझ में आ रही बात? So हम बंदर है तो क्या हुआ? हमने भी तो बड़ों से कुछ सीखा है और हमने भी अपनी मिस्टेक दोहरानी नहीं है अभी. Which mistake our grandfather has committed, we will not commit the same mistake again. Okay, so we also have to take the same lesson that if we have or our parents or our elders have committed any mistake and they are telling you not to do such and such things, it will happen or it is not proper for you. So we also should learn the same thing. कि हमारे बड़ों ने कहा है, our elders have told us some things and so we should listen to them because they will tell us for our betterment. Getting? समझ में आया moral of the lesson? Everyone? So I hope that you will listen to the elders. They are telling you some things from their experience and for your betterment, and so you should listen to them for your future progress. Okay, thank you everyone.